What if I told you that you could uncover the exact content strategy of any successful YouTube channel in less than 5 minutes? No expensive tools, no complicated software. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI to analyze any YouTube channel and generate unlimited content ideas, scripts, and titles inspired by what's already working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling to find video ideas or wondering how successful creators keep growing their channels, this tutorial is for you. Let's see how Claude AI can help. First, open your browser and visit Claude AI. Click on Sign Up if you're a new user, or Log In if you already have an account. You can sign in using your Google account or email address. Once logged in, you'll see Claude's chat interface. Now open YouTube and find a channel in your niche. Copy the channel link. You can also collect popular video titles, video descriptions, channel about section. The more information you provide, the better Claude's analysis will be. Paste the information into Claude and type, analyze this YouTube channel. Explain its content strategy, target audience, title formula, thumbnail style, and upload pattern. Claude will break everything down for you. You'll instantly understand why the channel is getting views. Next, ask Claude, generate 20 original video ideas inspired by this channel, but do not copy existing videos. This saves hours of research. And that's how you can use Claude AI to study successful YouTube channels and create your own content strategy faster. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which AI tool you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.